Hello my lovely Aquarius, how are you all? And I hope you are doing wonderful, amazing wherever you are in the world. This is your bonus love messages for January 2021. Let's see what are the messages for my lovely Aquarius January 2021. Please check your sunshine, moonshine and Venus sign. I hope I help you out in some manner. If it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and according to your condition. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Let's start your reading, and thank you so much for liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel, for giving me beautiful messages, beautiful comments. Okay, so thank you so much. I have already done your main reading. I have already done your main reading, your extended reading, your bonus love reading, so you can have a look on that too. So let's see what are the messages from this deck. And I have got two messages, and these are beautiful messages. Enlightenment, pursue spiritual growth. Pursues spiritual growth. You're getting enlightenment, Aquarius, as you know that you are getting more spiritually awake than before. The spiritual awakening is happening, so enlightenment is here. Then there is battles of the blue. Take steps towards the positive change. You have to take steps towards the positive change. Beautiful messages for you from this deck. And I love the pictures and art and the images of this. Can you see how beautiful it is? Thank you so much for giving the message to my lovely Aquarius. Thank you. Let's see what are the messages from Moonology deck. What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius, which I need to deliver all over the world? Give me the message. Okay. Any other message? Any other message? No. Okay. So the first message for you is a new romantic cycle begins. New moon in Libra. Okay, so a new romantic cycle is beginning as you are wrapping up old cycles. The World card was there. So you're completing old cycles and the new cycle is starting, Aquarius, in your life. Then there is confidence is your key to success. New moon in Leo. Keep your confidence, keep your strength and move in a forward direction. That's the key to your success. So keep your confidence, Aquarius. Prosperity lies ahead. New moon in Taurus. Prosperity lies ahead. Beautiful message for you. Communication is the key. New moon in Gemini. So communication is a key. So communicate if you have to communicate. Then there is bring love into the situation. New moon in Aquarius. Bring love in the situation. New moon in Aquarius. Step out of your comfort zone. You need to step out of your comfort zone and you are very close to achieving your goal. Step out of your comfort zone and you are very close to achieve your goal. So the signs which you can be dealing with are Libra, Leo, Taurus, Aquarius and Gemini. So these can be signs which you can be dealing with. Okay, Leo, Libra, Taurus, Aquarius and Gemini. 0505 was the recording reading time. Thank you so much, Moonology deck, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages from Sweet Results Await. What are the messages from Animal Spirits? Okay, Animal Spirit Oracle deck. Let me see what are the messages. What are the messages which I need to deliver? Any other message? Okay, Dog Spirit, be loyal to what you love, Aquarius. To whatever you love, you have to be loyal for that. Then there is Bat Spirit, a rebirth is assured. Okay, a rebirth is taking place. Death card was there, so death and rebirth is here. Transformation is taking place. A rebirth is assured. Seahorse Spirit, wait and watch. Watch and wait. Okay, watch and wait. Okay, have patience, watch and wait. Seahorse Spirit is here. Then there is Canary Spirit, sing your own song. Sing your own song. Groundhog Spirit, time to let go. Yes, that's right. As you are holding so tight on something, Aquarius, there was Four of Pentacle energy. So this is the time to let go. Let go anything on which you are holding on too tightly. Okay. Then there is Turtle Spirit, slow and steady wins the race. Slow and steady wins the race. There is a Dove Spirit, be peace. Be peace. Snake Spirit, time to heal. There is a time has come to heal yourself, and as you are doing your healing, that's very good. Time has come to heal. Then there is Fox Spirit, think on your feet. Whatever you are thinking, you have to think on your own feet. So these are the messages from Animal Spirit Oracle deck, and thank you so much for giving the messages to my lovely Aquarius. Spiritual partnership. Let's see what are the messages. Music, listen to the music. Maybe there is a message for you, or music helps you out in healing. Okay, what are the messages from Numerology deck? Let's see what are the messages which I need to deliver. Surrender yourself, Aquarius. You need to surrender to the divine. Because adventure is waiting for you. Abundance is coming for you. There is a financial discipline. See, again the music has come. Love partnership, music. Any other message? Physical activity. And this was the card I was seeing while shuffling also. Okay. Communication is coming towards you. Surrender yourself to the divine, to the universe. Surrender yourself, Aquarius. Why I'm saying that because you have to surrender. Beautiful things are coming for you. There is an adventure. There is an abundance which are coming for you. Okay. Lot of, can you see there is a number synchronicity here. 8855. Financial discipline and love partnership. There is a partnership, love partnership which is coming for you. And there is a music here. So listen to the music. Music helps you out in healing, and maybe there is a message in your music. Okay, so listen to the music. Then there is physical activity. Indulge in more physical activity. Maybe dance. You can walk, you can do any kind of physical activity. So physical activity is here. There is a communication which is indicated here. So communication, some kind of communication is coming towards you. Okay, there is rebirth again is here. Okay, you know already that the bad spirit at time, a rebirth is assured, and here I'm having rebirth again. Okay, rebirth and rebirth. So rebirth is taking place for sure for you. Then there is parenting and self-discipline. If you are having kids at home, okay, so be focused on your parenting. 1111 was the recording reading time. And there is self-discipline. You have to maintain your self-discipline. These are the messages from numerology deck, and the number which can be important for you are 3, 6 and 8. 3, 6 and 8 can be important number. 1133 was the recording reading time. Thank you so much numerology deck for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages from Quantum Oracle deck. Okay, let's see what are the messages. Some kind of milestone you are going to achieve in your life, and a creative endeavor is coming for you. Let me see what are the messages for my lovely Aquarius which I need to deliver. Help me out to deliver the messages. Oh, I'm getting deception every deck from my every deck. Okay. Any other message? Let me adjust my cards. Okay. Okay, your intention is to get peace, Aquarius. Okay, your intention is to get peace, but in your consciousness there is a lack of consciousness and there is a victim mentality. Okay, so please work on this consciousness of victim mentality. Do not be in your victim mentality or any consciousness of lack, because can you see here there is a lot of money which is here, but this is someone who is looking here, standing here and saying that I am having nothing, because this person does not know that there is a lack of consciousness, there is a victim mentality which is happening, which is there in your consciousness. There is an energy of fear. Okay, so do not be in this energy of fear. Get out of this energy of fear as soon as possible. Okay, there is a cycle of decrease. There is a cycle of decrease. I got only one card for the cycle, but do not worry at all, because you are in the energy of fear. Okay, when you are in an energy of fear, how can you create something beautiful? Do not worry, do not worry. There are some kind of events which are taking place, and one is some kind of deception. Okay, there is some kind of deception which is taking place around you. There is creative endeavor again has happened here. This has come again. So some kind of creative endeavor is happening here. And there is a commitment, Aquarius. There is a commitment which is coming for you. There is commitment which is waiting for you. Beautiful message. There are people around you. There is a teacher and there are friends and colleagues which are there to help you out. So take the help from your teacher and the friends and the colleagues around you. Your intention is to take steps and peace. So you're taking steps towards your peace. Take steps in a forward direction as you have an intention of that. And there is an spirit here. Intuition and manifestation and the vast universe is here to help you out. Use your intuitions, use your manifestation to get what you are manifesting it. Okay. This was the message from Quantum Oracle deck. Thank you so much, Quantum Oracle deck, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages from Spellcasting Oracle deck. I saw healing. Okay, so Aquarius, you need to heal yourself. And some of you Aquarius are now getting to know that what's your life purpose. Okay, let me see what are the messages for my lovely Aquarius. Wow. Any other message? Beautiful messages, Aquarius. Wow. Any other message? Okay. All my cards fallen out? No. Any other message? Okay. You're finding yourself, Aquarius, and good luck is on your way. The good luck is here, that there are blessings which are coming for you. Okay, and you're finding yourself that who I am, your good luck is with you and your blessings are coming for you. You're getting more beautiful than before. You're using your passion. Okay, so if you're not using it, use it. I always tell you that use your talents. Okay, use your talents, use your passions. So passion is here. You're getting inspiration here. Inspiration is here. You're getting more beautiful than before. You're getting your passions. You are using it and you're getting inspiration. Beautiful. You're getting your happiness, your well-being. Okay, you're getting your wellness, happiness and well-being. You're getting more psychic abilities than before. As you're getting transformation, can you see how beautiful it is? Transformation is taking place. I told you that your transformation is taking place. So yes, with this transformation, your psychic abilities are getting more active. Your third eye is getting active. You're getting more intuitive than before. Maybe there are some kind of dreams which you are getting, okay, while sleeping. So please have a look on that dreams. And maybe you have to focus on your dreams which you have created for yourself. So follow your dreams. There are two meaning for this card. Then there is a closure which is coming for you, Aquarius. There is a closure which is coming for you and you are getting your clarity. Clarity and closure is here. So And truth is also here. Okay, truth, clarity and closure. Some kind of truth and clarity is coming towards you, and there is some kind of closure which you need is coming towards you. Okay, there is home, new beginning. There are new beginnings in your home, and there are happy new beginnings which are coming towards you. Can you see? And there is fertility here. Some of you Aquarians are pregnant. Okay, and if you are not pregnant, that means you are creating, you are birthing new ideas. Okay, you are giving birth to new ideas. So here it is new beginnings and fertilities. You birthing new ideas, new relationship, new things. There is financial health, which is prosperity and new increase in your abundance of finances are coming for you. Good finance health is here. Then there is family here. Family card, happy family, happy life. 10 of cups energy, happily ever after. So family card is here. Thank you so much, Spellcasting Oracle deck, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages from Vintage Wisdom Oracle deck. What are the messages from Vintage Wisdom Oracle deck? See, I told you, Aquarius. I told you this. Some kind of truth is coming for you, that is for sure. Truth is coming towards you. Have an attitude of gratitude. Okay, be thankful for whatever you are having in your life right now, because not everyone can get that too. So always feel gratitude for all those things whichever there are in your life. Then there is listening here. So listening means that you have to listen to the voices and to the animals and the birds and the nature. Spend some time with the nature and birds if you are having it, or animals. Maybe they want to communicate some kind of messages to you from the divine. Then there is dream card here again. Follow your dreams, Aquarius. Follow your dreams, whatever dreams you are having. And the second meaning for this card is maybe there is a message for you, okay, while you sleep. As you know that Aquarius get more dreams while sleeping, so focus on your dreams. If you are having any dreams while sleeping also, maybe there is a message which divine is trying to send you through your dreams. Then there is awakening, and the protection card is here. As you know that you're getting spiritually awakened, okay, awakening is happening, so you need to protect your energy. Protection is here. Protect yourself. Protection is required for you. So these are the messages from Wisdom Oracle deck. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages from Oracle of Fairy. Okay, see, bottom of the deck I'm having transformation. I told you that transformation period is happening for you. Wow, manifestation and journey. You're creating your manifesting, and new journey is waiting for you. I love it. Be very honest and clear about what you wish to manifest in your life. Now write it down on the paper. Manifestation step 1. If you want to manifest something, write it down on your paper, whatever you want it, and very clearly. That is the first step of manifestation. So manifestation is here. Then there is journey. It's time to prepare for a journey. It may be impromptu or planned. Either way, make sure you are ready when the time comes. Pack your passports now. Maybe you are going to travel somewhere, or going to do some kind of journey. So happy journey, Aquarius. If you're traveling somewhere, pack your passports now. And if you're not going to do any kind of journey anywhere, so this is the new chapter of your life, and I wish you all the best for your new chapter. Okay, so this is the new chapter of your life which you are going to start. Beautiful message from this deck. I love it. Let's see what are. Thank you so much, Oracle of Fairy, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let me see what are the messages from self-care card. What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius. Playfulness, play with the child. Children are the greatest teachers. Okay, so playfulness is the first message for you. Then there is wisdom. Okay, let go of the need to control. Trust in the wisdom of a divine plan. 2525 was the recording reading time. Trust the divine plan. Trust in the wisdom of a divine plan, that they are having a blessed plan for you. Then there is a risk. Take a risk. You have a power within to move mountains. Okay, so take a risk, Aquarius. There is a dance. Step into the light. Share your gifts and talents with the world. Okay. Self-love is here. Care for your body. Self-love and self-acceptance are the ultimate acts of self-love. Okay, self-care. So you have to care for your body, accept yourself and love yourself first. Okay, then there is relaxation. Allow yourself to be lazy. It's okay to do nothing sometimes. Okay, so relaxation is here. Then there is decision. Honor your top priorities. If it is not an absolute yes, then it's a no. Then there is a decision which you have to make, Aquarius. So that's what I am getting for you. Let's see what are the messages. Thank you so much, self-care card, for giving the messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let me see what are the messages from the guides. Okay, what are the messages from your guides? Help me out to deliver the messages. Okay. Thoughts create your reality, Aquarius. Okay, so please be while thinking, think positive, because thoughts create your reality. Be yourself, and patience is a virtue. Be yourself, patience is a virtue. That's a message for you. Never judge another. Never judge another person or any other one. Never judge another. Then there is understand your body. Maybe your body is trying to give you some kind of message. So listen to your body, understand your body. Then there is a specific message from someone who is trying, and they will get the message. Release toxic relationship. If you are still carrying any toxic relationship, if you are still in a toxic relationship, release toxic relationships. That's the message from your guide. Thank you so much, guys, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let me see what are the messages from the universe, and then I'm closing out your reading. Let's see what are the messages from the universe. Give me the messages for my lovely Aquarius. What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius? Let's see what are the messages from the universe. Love is never in vain. That's the message for you. Those you love you. Okay, you are adored. Do something new, something different, Aquarius. Okay, do something new, something different. So these are the messages from the universe. Thank you so much, universe, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. So these were the bonus love messages for my lovely Aquarius all over the world. I hope I help you out in some manner. Take care of yourself, Aquarius. Sending you lots of love and light all over the world, wherever you are. Okay, Aquarius, see you soon.